Hey everybody, Jason Fairchild with Guaranty RV. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out our website. Today we're going to go over a 2019 Forest River Rockwood. It's a 1640 model. It's the LTD. We're going to start off by going over the interior features and we will finish up on the exterior. Follow me inside. Alright everybody, the 1640 is the smallest of any trailers that we sell. This is the limited, so it does come with the standard tires. The ESP comes with the bigger tires, and we do carry both models. So we've got a good sized bed up front here, a little smaller bed in the back. Both are heated mattresses. We've got our dinette booth here in the middle. We've got across from that a little 2-burner stove, and this can be used inside or outside. I'll show you where that can be used outside. We've got a little propane heater right here. Good storage here. Place for silverware. Some cabinet doors. Good storage. We've also got storage below the dinette. And then over here, we've got our fridge and our sink. So this trailer really has everything that you could want to go camping. You're going to have a good time, you're going to stay warm, you're going to be comfortable, you can cook your food, you can wash your hands, you can do everything you would want to do in here. We're going to go up over the outside features now and finish up this video. Follow me, guys. So right here is where you can hook that stove up. There's also a table that can mount there, and then you've got a connection here. This connects to your onboard propane, so you don't have to bring a bottle with you, and that's real handy to have that. As we move around here, we see we've got a full-size spare tire. Our rear stabilizers are down to help stabilize this trailer. It's kind of cool to have all 4 stabilizers on a trailer this small. A lot of them won't have that. So over here on the side, we've got nothing here. This trailer doesn't come with an AC, but you can order it that way. This is your 30 amp power cord here, and it's a 30-footer, so you can pull this thing out a long ways. There's a lot of cord in there. And it just stows away when you're done. If you're going to dry camp, this is where you're going to put your water. If you're going to be camping in a park, this is where you're going to hook up for your city water. This is your gray dump. There is no black dump because there is no toilet, so you're only going to have sink water dumping out here. This is going to be caught in a basin or bucket, and you'll take that over and you'll dispose of that appropriately. This is just the back of the refrigerator here. Real quickly, touch on the weight. It's 1,400 pounds, 1,466 dry weight, and fully loaded this is 2258 is the GVW on this, so really light trailer. This is great for those people that have a towing capacity of 3,500 or under. Good option. So again, I want to thank you for going over this video with me today. My name is Jason Fairchild. You can reach me directly at 541-228-6057. We went over a 2019 Forest River Rockwood 1640 LTD. Thanks a lot.